Fresh off the hype of Travis Scott's Pink Pack comes another must-have low top, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Pine Green. This clean three-tone drop keeps the OG silhouette front and center, and it's dropping June 6th, 2026 via Nike.com and authorized Jordan brand retailers. Adult pairs retail for $150, while grade school sizes go for $120. So mark your calendars for both tiers. It uses that classic, instantly recognizable AJ1 Low OG blocking, but the premium material mix makes it stand out. Smooth white leather covers the toe box and side panels, while rich black textured leather wraps the toe cap, eyestays, collar, and heel. The star of the show is the pine green, hitting the laces, tongue tag, insoles, and most notably, the textured green swoosh that adds subtle depth without straying from the shoe's roots. You'll also spot a tiny matching green mini swoosh near the forefoot, plus the iconic White Wings logo stitched onto the black heel. Down below, a soft sail midsole and gum rubber outsole lock in that timeless, wearable finish. This drop fits right into Jordan Brand's massive summer of low-top releases, balanced, classic, and versatile enough for game days, street fits, or casual wear. Whether you're chasing OG colorways, building a green theme collection, or just need a reliable daily sneaker, this one checks every box. We'll share direct retailer links, restock alerts, and sizing tips here on the Drop Code as launch day gets closer. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out when these go live.